Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys a very simple way of making your mixed fruit salad and with common fruits that you can find in your environment. And this mixed fruit salad is very good for weight loss. So in this video, I'm going to be using cucumber, banana, watermelon, peanuts, and a cup of milk. But the milk is optional here. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm using the cow milk. You can use your almond milk, soy milk, skimmed milk if you're trying to lose weight. And you all know that watermelon, cucumber, banana, peanuts, they aid in weight loss, lowers blood sugar, helps you to hydrate because it contains lots of water, improve your heart health, contains compounds that may help prevent cancer, prevent eye defects. It contains L-citrulline, which increases blood flow to a man's genitals. They can also aid in digestion. That is the banana. Banana aids in digestion. I could go on and on and on. So guys, the first thing to do when you want to handle any fruit is to make sure to wash your hand properly with water. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut my cucumber. This is the cucumber I'm using. I'm making this meal for just one person. I call it a meal because to me it's like a meal. I'm making it for just myself, but it depends on how much you want. This could go for 2 people also. So I'm using the English cucumber and it's about half of it. I'll just cut it into the size I want and pour into my plate. And then the next thing is to get my banana. I'm using 2 banana. I'll cut it into the size I like and then pour it into the same plate. And then the third one is the watermelon. So you all, like in this watermelon, you just have to make sure that you drain out the water properly when you cut it. So I divided my watermelon into 4 and I'm using 1 part of it. So I'm going to add my peanuts. I like lots of peanuts. You don't really have to add so much peanut. It all depends on the quantity you like. And then finally I'm going to add my milk and stir it very well, and you have your whole meal. With this meal, like after having this fruit salad, you might not need to eat for the next 4 or 5 hours, because like it will make you so filled that you might not really want food immediately. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, share it to people you think might like it, send a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for all your support. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.